Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a first impression about the new sponge that I bought a week ago, and this is it. The first time I saw this, I was like, oh my god, the color! This is my favorite color in the world. It's baby green. It's from Made for Makeup, and I bought this at sociola.com, and it's so affordable. It's just 65k Indonesian rupiah. And before I bought this, I read some reviews about this sponge, and the conclusion, they said that this sponge is worth to try. Let's open it. This sponge looks like the Beauty Blender, and they say this is the even better blender. It's flawless, super absorbent, makeup saving, latex free. And is it even better than Beauty Blender? We'll see. First thought, it's really soft. The pores of this sponge is smaller than Beauty Blender and more firm. It's like the EcoTools one. It's more firm, but it's so soft, and I really interested with the brand. In their website, they said our mission is beauty can do good and everyone has the right to it. Yet beauty products are controlled by greed with margins over 1,000%. Someone should rebel. So that's what we did, because beauty is a right. So they want to sell some affordable products to beauty community, and they're offering great beauty goods at empowering prices. They also have another products like makeup, like brushes, and the other sponge. I think it's called the natural blender. It's yellow, and the mini sponge is purple, I think. I just bought the green one because I love the green. So let's jump to the review. I will damp this sponge first. So it's damp now. It's bigger, but it's still more firm, like that. Okay, let's use it, because I just want to go out. I don't want to full makeup, so I will jump to my concealer. Just for make sure about the blender, I will contour a bit and blend it. Let's see. try to brightening my eyes. It just looks like I didn't sleep in a year. So I think I'm done. First thought, it blends the makeup well, but if I compare it with the Beauty Blender is more soft. Not soft, but it's like this sponge feels like there's something in this thing, but Beauty Blender like whoosh. How can I tell? In Indonesian, ini sponge kayak padat banget gitu. Kalau Beauty Blender tuh kayak dipencet ya kempes aja gitu, kosong. Jadi dibuka kayak apa ya, kayak biasa aja. Beauty Blender tuh kalau dipencet tuh bener-bener yang kosong gitu. Ini tuh kayak masih ada, kita harus usaha untuk mencet dia sampai kecil. Kalau Beauty Blender tuh kayak gampang banget. Itu bedanya sih. Ini kayak tebel. Ini tuh tebel ya, sponge tebel dan susah baliknya, ada waktu baliknya kayak squishy. Kalau ini langsung balik, itu bedanya. Nanti aku coba cari translatannya gimana ya, gue bahasa Inggris. Okay, I will set my face, and because I also use Beauty Blender to set the powder, so I will take this sponge too. So far, it's done the job well. The texture maybe is different with the original Beauty Blender, but so far I love this. The concealer and the contour blend flawlessly. But I will give my real opinion about this after I wash this, because the EcoTools one that I tried months ago something, I really hate that sponge when I first try and I washed them. The stain in the sponge won't go away. Looks, I washed this and oh my god, there's a hair. After I use this sponge, I always wash them right away, but the stain won't go away. I don't know why. And after 3 times wash them, look, it's just there up. It's broken. It's so disappointed sponge for me. It set my face well. There's nothing bad about this sponge, I will say. There's nothing I can complain with this sponge. It done its job well. And then I will finish my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, I just finished. I add some blush and lips, and I got new blush. It's Sleek blush in shade Suit, or I think it's spelled like that, Suit. It's 921, and I love this color for everyday or no makeup look. It's so subtle. I don't like pink blush, you know that. And I love this. Okay, back to the sponge. I already washed her, but it's still a stain. The stain remains a bit here, a bit there, but not as bad as the other sponge. So I really like this, but I will try this a couple of days again, and I give in the description box about my final opinion. But so far I really love this, and I'm not regret buying this. And it's so cute, it's green. Okay, it's complete this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.